Hi, my name is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and today I'm here to do a flip through of all the pages that you get when you're a member of Tanya at Tatty Treasure Patreon group or site or whatever at the different membership levels. Now, some of the things that you can get other than these papers are exclusive videos and contests, and you get to see contest winners and all kinds of posts and things like that. Now there's a total of 603 images, now not pages, but if you include the ephemera, there's 603 different images altogether. Now this took me, this is how many papers you get as a member. So there's quite a few. Whoopsie. Quite a few. And it actually, I have my printer on high settings so that when I use them, they look the best that they can. And it took me 2 hours to print them all. So either I have a slow printer on high setting, or there's a lot of papers and I think it's a little bit of both. So I sorted these out, not by color or kit or anything like that. I sorted them out by papers, ephemera, and fussy cuts. So let's go through the papers and do those first. And I'm going to try to talk to you a little bit while we go through them. Some of them you'll notice right away go together as part of a kit. And let me do this differently so I'm not reaching across. And some of them are just separate pages. Like these two look like they go together as part of a freebie set for a kit. And I didn't sort them that way. I just sorted them the way that I can remember. Now, I don't know if you can see it or not on camera, but there's a little pencil mark on the corner of each one of these, and obviously that is not on the image when you print it out. I put these little marks here so I know how they came out the printer, so when I put them back in to print them on the back when I use them, then I know which way to put them back in. Okay? Also, I forgot what I was going to say. Some of these are backing papers. Some of these are kit papers. Well, they're all kit papers. They're freebies and bonuses and all kinds of things that you can only get through the Patreon site with the Tatty Treasure membership. Now, oh, I know what I was going to say. These are all 8.5 by 11s. They're not UK sized. And I like that better. Obviously, I didn't print them borderless. I printed them fit to page. So if your printer has different settings and you know what fit to page means, then that's the setting you're going to use. I like that one a lot. There's some of the William Morris style too, and I really like those. I like the collages. Here's a collage. And there's another collage. And speaking of William Morris, this is one of the William Morris style papers. I don't know offhand what kit this goes to. This is one from the Alice kit. And there's this really pretty backing paper. There's this collage paper. And this paper. Oh, there's more. Let me get a hold of them. And this one. So with this exclusive membership, there's different levels of being a patron. And you know, I make free videos, so I can speak to this. It costs a lot of money, you know, the paper and the ink and your time and the video equipment and all that kind of stuff to do free videos on YouTube for you guys. And this is just a way to show your appreciation to Tanya for all the hard work that she does. I believe she does a video a day as well, like I do. And it's a lot of work. And even though we love it, don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining or anything. I'm just making a statement of fact. So these are beautiful. These might be from the Alice kit because I recognize this little plaid background. I'm not sure though. White roses. Could be from something else. Okay, those are the backing papers, or 8.5 by 11 pages. Some of them are horizontal, some of them are portrait. I just showed them to you all in a horizontal way. So that's those. Now the ephemera, there's all different kinds. Some of them were created by Collage Type, but they're exclusively for Tatty Treasure, and you can't get them anywhere else. And they will tell you what kit they belong with on here. They will tell you whether they're Collage Type papers or not. And then a lot of them will give you instructions on how to use the ephemera. Let me move these out of the way. How to use the ephemera, as in how to fold it or how to cut it or whatever. Now, I believe this is from the Alice kit. Looks like I've got them all upside down. Because you have your white rabbit, your red roses, things like that. And the diamond pattern. I know what that's called, but I can't think of it. I know it starts with an M. Anyway, and this is a beautiful winter kit. There's some frames in here as well. That's not the only one, but you can see right here, some of them don't go with kits. They're just freebies that you get at being a Patreon member. Now these are all from 2020 through 2023 of March, or April. Actually, this is the beginning of April that I'm filming this. So there's a lot of pages, and it's a great benefit that you get by supporting Tanya. Now you see right here it says fold the edges towards the back, glue it, and then it tells you how to do it if you're not familiar with how to do these gusseted pockets. If you're not sure on how to do a folder, it tells you here how to do it. Here's some more frames. I'm going to be taking pictures of these as well. I haven't really decided how I'm going to divide them up. It's going to be hard with the ephemera. I'm going to try to sort them somehow, and maybe by type, something like that. This is a gusseted pocket here, and a nice ruler. And this tag right here, you can fold it together and make a little folder out of it. You don't have to cut them apart. In fact, there's no white area in between, so I'm pretty sure that was meant to be folded in half. And the same with these. You would cut them in half this way and then fold them together so you've got a tab and then the notch. And then you're going to want to probably print all of these on the back side as well. Another reason that I made that little mark, because that way my printer will realize which side is right side up and which is upside down. So I can print patterns on the back. You can use all of those solid paper, 8.5 by 11 pages that I showed you to print on the backs of these. And there's some lighter colors so that you can put them on the back of the tags, and that way they're not white on the back. I usually do that. A lot of people leave them white on the back, and that's perfectly fine. Look at all these tags. These are beautiful. And some postcards for you with some daisies on them. I think they're daisies. Here's an envelope and some stamps and some tickets. Here's another envelope. And here's 3 inserts that actually fit in the envelope, so you don't have to look around for something the right size to go inside. A couple more envelopes with some cards that fit inside. These are beautiful cards. This is from the Rustic Lilac kit. This is a folio and a couple of pockets and a card. These will all fit inside here. Here's the instructions on how to do it. Then here's some tags and such on a border, and some labels or tickets. Sometimes I'll use these ones that don't have anything inside. I'll turn them sideways and put a word inside, you know, when I'm putting together something, a tag, or putting it on my page. Here's another folded tag. And some more frames. Look at these. Look at these big tags. Those are pretty. They go with Rustic Lilac as well. Here's a great big envelope. I love the music paper. And here's a bunch of little bitty tags. So these are exclusively, all of them, for Tatty Treasure. You have to excuse my dog. He's lost his mind. And this goes here. And now here's some fussy cuts that I missed, that I didn't put in with the others. Let me move them over there. Oz. 3. Sorry about that. I trained him when he was little to 1, 2, 3 time out. But now he realizes that 1 and 2 are freebies, so I have to go straight to 3. Which means if he's not quiet, he has to go into his bed. Here's some frame, or you can fold it in half and use it as a slide. You know, you just cut it out and you put the image in the middle that faces both ways. This is the Antique Christmas Junk Journal kit. Here's some postcards. There's a couple of large tags, writing cards actually, writing cards in a pocket. Some tags. And this kit goes to Memories of the Meadow. Oh, that's a gorgeous kit. And it was a collaboration kit, and it's huge. I think it's 60 pages. And that's what this one goes to as well. This one goes to the Junk Journal, Butterfly Love Junk Journal and the Butterfly Love Folio set. Here's some postcards. This is Down the Rabbit Hole. Yeah, I thought all of those ones with that Harlequin pattern were Alice. Okay, and that's it for the ephemera. There's a lot of pages, as you can see. A lot of pages, a lot. And then lastly but not least, we have some fussy cut pages. We have some roses. And there's some more roses in here. These go to the Down the Rabbit Hole kit, the Alice in Wonderland kit. Turn this one this way. And there's a card, a little card man. Here's some fussy cut flowers. This goes to Bluebell Woods. And I'm actually doing a design team member video series on that right now. So you should be able to see that in April of 2023. Give you an idea of something you can do with the kit. Here's some birds. This looks like it might be something for Easter. And then this goes with the Down the Rabbit Hole, the Alice kit. So this is everything that you get when you sign up at the Patreon site for Tatty Treasure. And it's an amazing deal. Like I said, I'm going to make a couple of videos. There's one that's going to come out tomorrow, and then one's going to come out a week from tomorrow on Saturday, and then next Saturday. And we're going to do a project. Now, we're either going to do 2 one-hour projects, or we're going to do 1 2-hour project. So I'm going to have to wait and see how that works out. I think we're going to do something with a manila folder. Okay, so that's it for this. This is just an intro. And I will see you tomorrow in the craft along video, and then we'll see you a week from then in the next craft along video. All right, well, I'll see you then, and that'll be just a second for you and a day for me, literally. Okay, bye-bye.